Ever wonder what secrets the wealthy teach their kids behind closed doors? Secrets that schools never mention? Stick around, because today we're pulling back the curtain on the lessons that could transform your financial future. Welcome back to Smart Money Vids, where we delve into the knowledge that propels people toward financial success. Today, we're exploring an eye-opening topic: what rich parents teach their kids that schools don't. If you're ready to uncover lessons that could redefine your financial future, stay tuned. Let's begin by comparing two distinct types of education: the academic instruction provided in schools versus the financial wisdom imparted at home by wealthy parents. Traditional schools focus on essential subjects like math, history, science, and language arts. However, they often lack practical financial education. This means many students graduate without essential knowledge about budgeting, investing, and managing debt. Schools typically teach students to study hard, earn good grades, and secure stable employment. While this path can lead to a comfortable life, it doesn't address how to create wealth or achieve financial independence. Wealthy parents, on the other hand, prepare their children to become financially independent, entrepreneurial thinkers who understand how money works. In wealthy households, financial education is foundational. From a young age, children are introduced to concepts like investing, asset management, and entrepreneurship. This emphasis creates a mindset that views money as a tool for freedom and opportunity, not just a means of survival. So what exactly do rich parents teach their kids? One fundamental lesson is that money should work for you, not the other way around. They treat each dollar as an employee whose job is to generate more wealth through investments like stocks, real estate, or business ventures. Wealthy parents instill the concept of asset accumulation early on, teaching their children the difference between assets and liabilities. Simply put, assets are things that put money into your pocket, while liabilities take money out. By focusing on acquiring income-generating assets, they shift the focus from just earning a salary to building wealth through strategic investments. Starting small with investing can make a big difference. Allocate a portion of your savings or allowance into investment apps like Acorns or Stash. This makes investing accessible and helps you develop the habit of making money work for you. Educate yourself by beginning with books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki to understand fundamental financial concepts. Investing isn't just a strategy, it's a mindset. Wealthy parents emphasize the power of compound interest and the advantages of starting early. Compound interest means your investment earnings generate their own earnings over time, creating a snowball effect. Imagine two friends, Alex and Taylor. Alex starts investing $200 a month at age 25, while Taylor starts at age 35. Assuming an annual return of 7%, by age 65, Alex will have approximately $524,000, while Taylor will have around $244,000. Starting just 10 years earlier, more than doubles Alex's savings. Begin with low-cost investments like index funds or ETFs through platforms like Vanguard or Fidelity. Utilize retirement accounts like a 401k or Roth IRA to benefit from tax advantages. For insights on long-term investing, consider reading The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. As we consider investing early, it's important to recognize that taking calculated risks is a key component of building wealth. Risk-taking is another core lesson wealthy parents instill, not reckless risk, but calculated risk. This means assessing potential outcomes, understanding possible downsides, and making informed decisions that could lead to substantial gains. Traditional education often promotes stability and risk avoidance, encouraging safe, predetermined career paths. Wealthy parents teach their kids that failure isn't the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone on the journey. Step out of your comfort zone by trying a new endeavor that challenges you, like public speaking or learning a new skill relevant to your career. Assess your risk tolerance using online tools or by consulting a financial advisor. To understand how emotions affect financial decisions, read The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Taking calculated risks often ties into the pursuit of financial independence. Wealthy families instill the idea that true security comes from financial independence, having enough income to cover living expenses without relying on traditional employment. They emphasize the importance of cash flow, money that comes in regularly without active work, often referred to as passive income. Understanding assets versus liabilities is key. By focusing on building a portfolio of income-generating assets, you can create multiple streams of passive income. Track your finances using apps like Mint or YNAB to monitor your spending and identify areas to reduce liabilities. Explore passive income opportunities such as dividend-paying stocks, real estate investments through platforms like Fundrise, or creating digital products. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin offers strategies on achieving financial independence. If you had a source of passive income right now, how would it change your daily life? What passions could you pursue? Building passive income often involves entrepreneurial thinking. Entrepreneurship is at the heart of what wealthy parents teach. They encourage their kids to identify problems and develop solutions that can be monetized, shifting the focus from being employees to innovators and leaders. According to the Kauffman Foundation, almost all new jobs are created by new businesses, which shows how important entrepreneurship is for the economy. Identify problems to solve by keeping a journal of daily inconveniences and brainstorming potential solutions. Learn about lean business models by reading The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. Network with like-minded individuals by attending local startup events or joining online communities like Startup Grind. Rich parents make discussions about money a normal part of daily life, fostering transparency and financial literacy. They involve their kids in budgeting, investing, and financial decision-making, building confidence from a young age. Start the conversation by discussing financial goals with family or friends. Use educational tools like the game Cash Flow by Robert Kiyosaki to make learning interactive. Attend workshops or webinars together to enhance your knowledge collectively. Managing time effectively is another lesson that goes hand in hand with financial success. Wealthy parents emphasize that time is our most valuable resource. Money can be regained, but time cannot. They teach the concept of leveraging time by creating systems and income streams that generate revenue without constant personal input. Tim Ferriss, author of The 4-Hour Workweek, advocates for designing a lifestyle that maximizes time freedom through automation and outsourcing, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Automate routine tasks using tools like Zapier to streamline your workflow. Delegate tasks that others can handle, freeing up your time for high-impact activities. Invest in passive income streams by creating digital products or investing in assets that generate ongoing income. Wealthy parents emphasize mentorship and networking. Learning from others accelerates growth and helps avoid pitfalls. Use platforms like LinkedIn to connect with professionals. When seeking mentorship, be clear about your goals and offer mutual benefits. Join professional organizations in your industry. Creativity and innovation are also crucial components of success. Wealthy parents understand that creativity is essential. They encourage exploring unique ideas and challenging conventional thinking, fostering a mindset where innovation becomes second nature. Engage in creative hobbies that stimulate your imagination, such as painting, writing, or playing music. Set aside time each week for idea generation using techniques like mind mapping. Learn from innovators by reading books like Creativity, Inc. by Ed Catmull for insights on fostering a creative culture. Lastly, wealthy parents stress the importance of not just learning, but applying knowledge. While acquiring knowledge is vital, applying it is what drives success. Schools often focus on theory, but practical application separates dreamers from achievers. Adopt the 70-20-10 learning model. Spend 70% of your time applying new skills, 20% interacting with others, and 10% on formal education. Implement what you learn by choosing a financial lesson and creating an action plan to apply it this week. Use feedback loops to continuously assess and adjust your strategies based on results. From making money work for you and valuing time, to embracing calculated risks and fostering creativity, the lessons rich parents teach go far beyond traditional education. They emphasize financial literacy, adaptability, and the power of a strong network. By adopting these principles, you can transform your financial future and design a life where you call the shots. Remember, knowledge without action is merely information. The journey to financial independence requires continuous learning and application. Take a moment to reflect on the lessons we've discussed. Choose one or two that resonate with you and commit to implementing them starting today. Small steps can lead to significant changes over time. Thank you for watching. If these insights resonated with you, please like this video, subscribe to Smart Money Vids, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for resources to help you build your financial literacy.